Today, I'm gonna teach you about all the different kinds of ladders we use to install Christmas lights. There are many ladders out there. These are the ones that we love at Let's Get Lit, and this is what we use. No, we're not gonna start here. We're gonna start here. This is the Little Giant leveler. This thing is freaking awesome. There was one season back in the old days, it was 2020. It was just me, and then I hired my first ever helper. We did over $10,000, $11,000, $12,000 worth of installs with just this one ladder, no lie. It's totally transformable. It's adjustable, it drops down, it goes up, it does all sorts of crazy stuff. You hit these buttons here at the top, and then it will extend out into a flat ladder like one of these. This thing is amazing. It finally even has leveler feet. So if you're in a flower bed and the ground is uneven, you can even them out, and then when you get done, bang, goes right back up and you're done. This thing is awesome. It folds down to a small compact size. We have 3 of them. Every single crew on our installs gets one of these on their truck. Absolutely love this thing. Next ladder we're gonna talk about is this bad boy. The most versatile ladder that we have on any of our trucks. This is a 24-foot extension ladder by Werner. Now, all these Werner ladders come in different ratings. There's aluminum and there's fiberglass, and they're all rated differently. What you prefer is gonna come down to you. However, this one is generally the most versatile. You'll see at the top it has green tips. So the color of the ladder indicates how much weight it is rated for. So the weight rating of this green one is 225. Okay, so it's a type 2 ladder. That may sound like it's not that much more than the type 3 ladder, which is 200, which has red tips. But when you put it up and extend it, that red one is bouncy, it flexes, and it can probably scare you. Whereas this one will be nice and sturdy. Now the difference is, the red one is super lightweight. Way lighter than this. You can move it around super easy. I use it all the time, and I know Trevor, one of our installers, he likes it as well. But most of our guys like this green one. They'd rather have the extra weight for the added stability. The last ladder we're gonna talk about is this beast. There's actually 2 of them stacked right here. So this one in front is a 32-foot, that is a type 2, so it's rated for 225 pounds. It has the green tips that I don't even know if you can see on camera up there. This I just found, you have to special order these. You cannot buy these in stores. I special ordered mine from Ace Hardware. I got a okay deal on it. It shipped to store for free. I went and picked it up like 4 days later. We're gonna test this out this year and see how we like it. I'm gonna move this thing. It's crazy big and it's crazy heavy. But I will say, the green one, the 225, that's not that bad at 32 foot. Now this beast is the behemoth. So this is a type 1 ladder, or the blue one, which is a 250 pound rating. The 250 pound rating, 32 foot extension ladder is a 2-man job. Can I do it by myself? Yes, I can now because I'm a very seasoned veteran. I know what I'm doing. Do I like to? Hell no. This thing is absolutely brutality to move and man, especially if you're gonna do a big house. We do one in New Orleans where you send it to the top. This thing is fully extended, and you go to the top and you clip as many gutter lights as you can on both sides of your ladder. Then you gotta get down and you gotta move it, and you gotta pull it off of the gutter because your lights are hanging down. So you gotta pull it up, over, and then lay it back down. By the time I get done with that house, my entire core hurts because the way I move these ladders when they're fully extended is you hold them with your knees and use some leverage, and it's just an absolute core workout. It's a dominator. Ugh. But this blue one, as you get up there, it does bounce, but it's very sturdy. So we're interested to see how the 225 pound rating 32 foot does this year. We may go to these all together because these are so cumbersome to move and just a bad day. When you gotta work on this all day long, it's a bad day. All right, last but not least, the step ladder. This was made by Cobalt, but these are great. So this is 3-step, and this, when you're gonna go across a small, short garage, you can go right up there and clip the lights. It's amazing. You're gonna do wrapping some bushes, wrapping some very small trees. We do crepe myrtles all the time down here in the South. This thing is crucial. It is an absolute must-have. Every crew has at least one, and if we go do big jobs, we'll take 2. The step ladder is a must. All right, there we go. There is all your ladder expertise in one short little video. so you can go buy what you need, get yourself started, because Christmas light installation is absolutely amazing. Make sure to buy your lights from us at Let's Get Lit Supply, and have a fun and safe season. And I hope you don't have to get on the Blue 32 anytime soon. Okay, peace out.